Hey guys, it's Archie Luxury on the Archie Luxury channel. What am I doing today? Well, let me tell you exactly what I'm doing. So what I'm doing today is, guys, I'm going on a flight to rectify the Rotor Revue. Rotor Rectification Revue. That's correct. Rotor's Rectification Revue. So I'm jumping on a jet and I'm flying to pick up my Patek Philippe world time. And I gotta tell you the truth, man, it's a very quick flight. I'm flying in, picking it up, flying out. That's the way we roll on the Archie Luxury channel. I gotta tell you, man, this is the way it goes. So I'm excited. Yeah, of course I'm excited. I'm not that excited. It's 12 o'clock, 5 past 12, and I've got to fly. The plane, normally it leaves at 2:15, but it's going to be a bit late because I had to diversify to Colombo. Someone wasn't feeling well. You know what that means? Probably they swallowed something. I don't know. Who knows the fucking reasons? It's not for me to speculate. But I can tell you one thing for sure there. I'm going to get my Rotor rectified, reviewed, and ready for me. So I'm excited to go. And I just like to, I like to have good shit. I like to have, everything you could possibly want to have fun overseas. That's what I want to do. And look, I'm quite looking forward to going. It is a bit of a flight. I've taken these late flights in the past, and sometimes the plane's been fucking empty and I could sleep on the fucking thing. But I gotta be honest with you, I don't know if that's going to be the case. It's we'll see. We'll see how the Rotor Rectification Revue goes. Rotors. So that's the way it goes there. Now I'm going to just take a different look today. I'm going to take you for a different look. And we got red Rooster. Fuck. Do you reckon I should get a chicken roll? Fuck that. See if they got a chicken roll. Wouldn't mind a rooster roll. Rooster roll. Rotor Rooster Roll Rectification Service. Let's have a look. Do you want to have a look? We'll have a look if they got a Rotor Red Rooster's Rotor's Rectification Roll. We'll see. I wouldn't mind a chicken roll. They're open for service? I don't know. We'll have a look. Because I wouldn't mind a piece of chicken, Piece of chicken. What would I go for? I think I'd go for just have a quick look here. Let's have a look. Oh, geez, this is probably the most... A Ripper Rooster Roll. Ripper Rooster Roll. Let's have a look. I don't know if they're open. I don't know. We're getting slow service here, guys. Rotor Restoration Service. I don't know. No one's here. We'll just see. What do I like? I get a Ripper Roll. One Ripper Roll. Do I want chips? Fuck it. I'll get it as a Ripper Mega Box. Ripper Mega Box with 4 chicken nuggets. Do I really want to... I don't know if I need the... They got pineapple? What the fuck do I want a pineapple fritter for? Red Rooster's Ripper Roll. That's what I want. I don't know if anyone's here. It's a bit, I don't know whether the Rooster Roll place is open. I don't know what's going on. Is anyone here? Who knows? You just don't know if they're open or not. Where's the Rooted Red Rooster Roll? I'm here to rectify Rooted Rotor's Rectification Service. They don't have a bell you can press. Dear customers, a surcharge. It's okay. I don't mind surcharge. Rooted Rotor Rectification Service. I don't know. Are they open? Maybe he's gone to the toilet. I don't know. What do you reckon? It's the luck of the Irish. I was hoping to go through. What do you reckon? Jesus, where's my Rooted Rotor Rectification Rooster roll? Rooted Rotor Rectification Rooster roll. That's what I wanted. Rooted Rotor Rectification Revue Rooster roll. That's what I wanted. I wanted a Rooted Rotor Rectification Revue Rooster roll. That's what I wanted. I wanted excuse me, could I please have a Rooted Rotor Rectified Restoration Revue Rooster roll Ripper Rita. That's what I want. That's what I want. Hello? I don't know, maybe something's gone wrong. Maybe they've gone home. Rooted Rotor Restoration Revue Rooster Ripper Roll Rita. How's that? I don't know what's wrong with these guys.